Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this refreshingly tasty spinach and strawberry salad. So I've washed a bag of baby spinach and I'll remove the excess water with some kitchen paper. Once I've done that, I'll pick the stalks off each leaf. And now I'll finely shred the spinach leaves. And I've got some chives that I'll chop very finely. And I'll chop half of a cucumber into fine cubes. And I'll also finely dice a punnet of strawberries. For the dressing, I'm going to be using 6 tablespoons of olive oil, and to that I'll add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and a tablespoon of mustard. And I'll go in with a pinch of chili flakes and a tablespoon of honey. And lastly, a big pinch of sea salt. Give that all a good mix, pour and coat in the delicious dressing. And just like that, we have our easy spinach strawberry salad. I hope you've enjoyed today's quick little video. Please like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.